A very good morning to my dear students. This is Kajal, your teacher of English. I hope you all are doing good at your home and learning English through my videos. Students, if you have watched my previous video, you may have learnt that this chapter, the fun they had, is a science fiction. And there are two main characters of the story, Margie and Tommy. So, in this video of mine, we are going to read the text of this chapter to understand it better. In this page, we read that Margie and Tommy, they both live in future in the year 2155. So, on the day of 17th May, she wrote in her diary, "Today Tommy found a real book." Students, as you know that Tommy and Margie, they both live in future. In present, we have schools and books. But in the future, there are no schools and no books. The students in the future read through online books and they have robotic teachers. They have robotic teachers and virtual classrooms through which they study. Virtual classrooms means a room in which they have a computer and or a robotic teacher who teach them. So they have not seen a real book in their life. So one day when Tommy found a book, they both got very surprised. They had not seen a real book. The book was very old, and Margie's grandfather had told them that when his grandfather, means Margie's grandfather's grandfather, told them that during his time the books used to be printed as the books we have now. We have printed books, but in the time when Margie and Tommy are living, that time the books don't exist because they have online books. So when they found the book, they both got very surprised and astonished to see that book. When they turned the pages were yellow and crinkly. The pages were yellow because the book was very old, and crinkly means it seemed that the pages or the book had been crushed. And Tommy found it funny to read the words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to. As you know that Tommy and Margie have online books. So they are habitual to online books where the text keeps on moving. They read through computers through the online books, and when they read through computers, the screen stays still, whereas the text keeps on moving. But in the printed book, the text keeps still. So when they turned the pages, they found the words at the same place, and Tommy found it very funny. Then Gee said Tommy. Tommy said, "Gee, what does gee mean?" Gee means disgusting. He said, "What a waste. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away, I guess. Our television screen must have had 1,000,000 books on it, and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away." So Tommy said, disgusting. What a waste. So Tommy doesn't like this kind of idea that when one is through with the book, he would throw it away. So what do when we have read the book for 1 year, for one class, we throw the book because it is not useful to us anymore. So we throw it away. So Tommy thought that when one has used the book, he would throw it away, and he thinks that it is a waste. He thinks that their television screen, that their computer is much better than this because it has a plenty space for keeping the books. Because there are 1,000,000 books in their computer, and there is a plenty more space for the 1,000,000 of books. So he thinks that their computer is much better. Then Margie asked from Tommy where did he find the book. When Margie asked him where did he find the book, Tommy was busy at that time in reading that book. So he didn't give her a look. He just said, "In my house, in the attic." Attic means a place on the upper floor which we use as a store. So a store that is on the upper floor is called an attic. Then Margie asked Tommy, "What is it about?" Then Tommy just said, "It's School. So the book is about school. Margie was scornful. School? What's there to write about school? I hate school. Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. So we come to know through this chapter that Margie is a student who hates school. She doesn't like school at all. She said, "What's there to write about school? I hate school." She thinks that there is nothing to write about school. What one would write about school? She said, "I hate school." She doesn't like school at all. What is the reason behind this? Why does she hate school? She hates school because of her mechanical teacher who is giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her grandmother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. So uh, we come to know that Margie's mechanical teacher is giving her test in the geography sector, but Margie doesn't know the reason why she is doing bad and bad in the geography sector, because she finds this section very tough and she is not giving good performance in that section, in that subject, and her mother was also very worried about her. So when she learned about Margie's performance, she was worried and she sent for means she called the county inspector. So who is county inspector? County inspector is not any policeman. County inspector is a person who mends their machine, who mends their robots. Whenever there is any problem in the robotic teacher, the county inspector comes and checks the problem and repairs it.